Hi, I'm Akil from iCAD Systems. After you selected the right project template, you need to start working with your project by creating grid lines. Grids are annotation elements that help organize your design. For you to create the grid lines, please go to the Architecture tab and click Grid. You can start draw the grid lines. In order for you to create the next grid line, click the first grid line and click Copy. You can enter the value 3000 and make a copy again for another value of 2000. Copy again and put the value of 2000 and create the final one for the value of 4000. You can do the horizontal grid lines by creating the same method and change the value from 6 to 8. Copy, enter your value of 4000 and copy again, enter the value of 4000. Now we have done with grid lines. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.